People, I'm back with another 500 coins, this time for the Blizzard pack. Just out now, first day. Okay, we get a holiday gift. Ooh, a rare. 4.25, okay. So as usual, I'm gonna be counting how many blooks we get in total. So first we have 20 tries. Wait, not that. Another rare, okay. The weird thing about the Blizzard pack is that rares are 5.55%. And that makes it like really hard to get all of them. Okay, at this rate we probably have a lot of repeats. A few rares too. Good. Not that. Okay, one more. And there. Now we go to blooks. Very bottom. Sell one of these. Two of those. One of those. Okay, 6 of these. 2 of these. 3 of these. 1 of these. Oh, okay, that's 20. And then 2 of these. Alright, now we have 244. If my math's right, that means 9 more. So then 29. Alright. Yay, rare. Too many uncommons. No way. Okay, guys, you gotta subscribe for this. We literally got it second round again. For me, every single time I do this, second round's always so lucky. Legendary. We got Santa Claus. First day of opening Blizzard pack. Alright, you gotta subscribe for this. Comment Santa Claus and subscribe for this. Alright, we have, what? A few more. And the blooks. My score shot up. Wait a minute. This is 60? No, that's 35. Alright, let's see how much cash we get now. Okay, 74. No, we only get 2 more. The lucky thing, we can do this like 1 or 2 more times because we can sell these. We can only do this 1 more time. If I get a rare, then we can continue. If it's an uncommon, then I guess I have to finish the episode for today, guys. Honestly, I did not expect this. First try, we got Santa Claus. First day, and wait. Did we complete? No, wait. Did I just complete the Blizzard pack? Hold up. Oh no, okay, apparently there's peppermint bark, 0.03%, and 0.02%. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do that. This video reaches 1,000 views and gets at least 50 likes, then I'll do that. I'll spend until I get, what's it called? The peppermint bark and the chili chameleon. Alright guys, with that, that's it for this episode today. We got a legendary Santa Claus. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye guys, see you later.